Y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video I'm going to be showing you how to get this makeup look that you see right here. It is an absolutely stunning green and blue kind of smoky eye kind of a thing. I have no idea exactly what I'm going to call it yet. Hopefully it'll have a name by the time you see this. But yeah, this is going to be the first of many more looks incorporating color here on my channel, because that is a personal goal of mine this year, is to bring you more color. I'm really just trying to push myself out of my comfort zone, which if you know me, you know that it's a warm brown smoky eye. So yeah, I'm super excited. I hope that you guys are too. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Yeah. If you're excited to see more color and you do like this video, then you should go ahead and give it a big thumbs up so I know. That would be awesome. And you might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button while you're here, because it's literally so easy. It's like right there. And I literally cannot think of a single reason why you wouldn't want to. Nope. Can't think of one. But anyways, you guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video. And if you want to see how I got this makeup look, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, you guys, using the Morphe 39A Dare to Create palette today, we're taking that second transition shade in the palette, and I'm going to start working this into my upper crease area as our first transition shade. Next, I'm going in with the second to last transition shade, and I chose this because it has more of an olivey undertone, and we're working with greens today. And I'm going to put this just below the first shade, but still in the upper crease area. Next, going in with this light green shade, and on a pencil brush, I'm going to be putting this directly into my crease and just slightly above my crease, since we're going to be cutting the crease today. I just find doing this helps me map out my cut crease and make my color darker. So here I'm just blending it out a little bit because, you know, no harsh lines. Now we're cutting the crease, of course. Like I said, you actually will not be seeing much of this because I kept getting way too close to my mirror. I'm still working on my cut creases, guys. If you have any tips or tricks, leave it down below, because I'm not that great at it, but I'm working on it. I'm setting it down here with just some translucent powder, and you can see what I'm saying. This was not my best cut crease, but that's okay because I'm going to be cleaning it up. I'm going back in with that same light green shade on that pencil brush and just deepening it up. I will be putting shadow on my lid today, which is why I was less concerned about my cut crease being super perfect. But I'm doing it with a pencil brush so the color will look deeper than it actually is, because I'll be putting that same color on my lid soon. And that way it just looks like I use more colors than I actually had to. So blending it out, of course, because again, no harsh lines, can't say that enough. And then taking that exact same brush, and I'm just starting to put that light green shade on the outer half of my lid. Next, I'm going to take the darker green shade, and I'm going to put that on my outer V. Just to deepen it up, here's where we're starting to really add some dimension to the eye look. And here you're just going to want to go back and forth with the darker green and the lighter green color until you're satisfied with the way they're blending and the way that it looks. Once you're satisfied with that, I'm going to be taking this, I don't even know what you call it, this light brown looking shade down here. I don't know the name. I threw away that clear sheet. I hate those. But I'm going to be taking it on this little tiny brush and just packing it on the very outer V just to give it some more depth and definition. And while this brush blended it pretty good, I'm going to actually take the brush with the dark green on it, as you see here, and just blend it out a little bit more. And then, of course, going in with the lighter green until you're totally satisfied with your blending. Now I'm taking this like goldy green shimmery color just on my finger, and I'm going to be popping that on the rest of my eye. This shade is super, super pretty. And then once you get the lid how you want it, I'm taking the very first transition shade we used and just blending out the top, pulling it all together. I like doing this at the end. I don't know. Next, I'm prepping for falsies by applying some mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal Lash Paradise today. It's not my favorite, but I have it, so I used it. I prefer my Better Than Sex, if I do say so myself. But for lashes today, I'm using the Ardell Double Whispies. And now I'm going in with this. It looks black, but it's actually navy blue. And I'm going to stamp that right up close to my lower lash line. I didn't have footage of this because, again, way too close to my camera. But the color you see on my waterline is the Urban Decay and Basquiat liner in Anatomy. Super, super pretty. And then I'm, of course, just going to blend out that navy blue color. And diffuse it a little bit so it doesn't look like a harsh line. And then once I'm done, I'm going to take the same brush we used with the first transition shade and adding no additional product, just blend that out even more. And then of course, you gotta put some mascara on those lower lashes. Jumping on to finishing the face, I'm going to be doing my nose contour, as you see, with my Benefit Hoola Bronzer and my favorite little Wet n Wild brush that has, no name. I'm also going to do right under my bottom lip just to make it look a little more pouty. And I'm using the same bronzer to contour the rest of my face. And this Tarte brush, you guys, that came in the holiday little set, it has no name on it. I have no idea what it's supposed to be called or what it's technically for, but I decided to use it for contouring, and I love it because it's kind of fluffy. It kind of, oh my god, what was that? I'm so sorry. But anyways, that brush is awesome. And then I'm actually going to stamp it and kind of push it up as more bronzer just over my whole cheek because I like the look that it was giving to me today. Now I'm going in with the Sephora blush in Mangobeam and just popping that on my cheeks and, as usual, along the sides of my nose. Next, going in with the Jeffree Star highlighter from his Summer Chrome collection. This is in the shade Summer Snowcone, and my girl Jaclyn Hill was talking about applying it with her beauty blender, and so I had to try it today because I trust almost everything Jaclyn Hill says, and I have to agree, it's super pretty this way. It makes the highlight look more like a glow from within, if you will, less powdery. So yeah, I did that technique today and I really liked it. And then, of course, we're going to lock down those brows with some clear brow gel, girl. Can't let them be going everywhere. And then I'm using the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist for my setting spray today. And, girl, I like that stuff. That is nice. Lastly, for lips, I'm first going in with the Wet n Wild Megalast Liquid Catsuit in the shade Give Me Mocha. I really like these liquid lipsticks. They're very, very affordable, and girl, they do not budge. They are so tough to get off, but it works for me because then you can eat in them. However, I thought this color was way too dark, way too like pinky and rosy, so I'm going to go over it with the NYX Simply Nude Lip Cream in the shade Sable, just to lighten it up and I guess make it look more of a natural looking lip, if you will, a nude lip. But yeah, that is the completed makeup look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me. If you did like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for me. And hopefully I'll see you in my next video.